Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Nostalgiaholic. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the Texas Instruments Speak and Math. Now, there were other models that came out in the series. There was a Speak and Spell. There was a Speak and Read as well. I was watching actually E.T. the other day, and actually in E.T., there is this the Speak and Spell makes a huge cameo in the movie, where E.T. uses it to make his little satellite dish device. But these were very popular in the early 80s. And they lasted, there were several remodels, and I believe they lasted through the early 90s as well. But the technology is actually pretty amazing considering it's almost 30 years old. I'm missing the back battery cover, but it does hold about 4 C batteries. And let's take a closer look on how this particular Speak and Math works. This is something I learned my mathematics on growing up. So here's a closer look at the Speak and Math. I just turned this thing on and getting out of the garage, the box, and messing with it for a while just shows a lot of memories as my childhood. The Speak and Spell was the very first in the product toy line here, and it came out in 1978. And as I mentioned, there was a couple remodels and reissues. This particular one came out in 1980. It's really cool, and it was way ahead of its time in my opinion because it had the speech synthesizer chip in it. You'll see that in a minute. And TI was huge in the 80s, still big today. I remember growing up with a TI-83 computer. They had the TI 99-4A computer as well that was used as a home personal computer. So they were huge in the 80s, and this is a very popular toy line. I'm sure you guys might remember this. Let's boot it up. There's 4 games.
Solve it, level 1.
There's Solve It, there's Greater Than Less Than, Write It, and there's Number Stumper. Let's check out word problems first. This is the repeat button. You got your Greater Than Less Than, clear button. These are your numbers, obviously, and then these are your game selections. Your on, off, your go, and then your enter. Okay? Let's go.
Word problems, level 1.
All right. Go.
If 3 times 4 is 12, what is 4 times 3? That's right. Try 50. Take away 20. How much is left?
I'm going to say 30.
That's correct. Now try what is 2 plus 7 plus 3. You're right. Next
Okay,
try.
so you get the idea. Basically, it repeats.
In 24. How many tens are in 44?
So you get your idea. You get the idea on that.
Solve it. Level 1.
Let's do Greater Less Than.
Greater than
This is probably, I
less
think, the
than
hardest one
level
of the 4.
37 is greater than or less than 39. That's right. Try 16 is greater than or less than 61. That's correct. Now try 3 is greater than or less than 1. You're right. Next try 1 is greater than or less than 11. You're correct. 71 plus 6 is greater than or less than 75. That's right. Your score is 5 right, 0 wrong.
Cool. Okay. Let's do Write It.
Write it. Level 1. 31.
So then it says the number, you have to write it.
That's right. Try 110.
Now these are obviously the very first level, so these are really easy, but it does get a lot harder.
Try 441. You're right. Next try.
And let's check.
336.
Let's check number crunchers.
Number stumper.
Number
Level
stumpers.
1.
Basically, you have to type in a random number and hope you get it right.
Number right. 0. Number in wrong place. 0.
Okay, so 14's not it. So I understand how.
Number right. 0. Number in wrong place.
I
0.
don't understand how that was supposed to necessarily help your math skills. I think it's more of just a game. But overall, guys, this is a really great system, device, and I'm excited to still have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Until next time.